Abundance. Well, he gave you abundance. You asked for beads, and look what he gave you.
Shirley.
Shelly. Shirley. What's Shirley doing? Oh, you gonna share your beads with Shirley? Shirley, he's sharing his beads with you.
Do you want big ones? We can do long ones. Oh, look at you. She just grabbed your head.
She just took all of
without permission.
You enjoying it?
Oh,
You enjoying the activity?
now I gotta be.
Are you enjoying the activity? Very good. Oh, yeah.
All right. Let's get this.
Let's get it going. You guys doing okay? Oh, you got yours on. Look. Nice. Very good. She's working on it. One. I have to ask somebody because I'm horrible at making them. I am not good.
And you just put them on.
Did you get it?
Yes, I did. I dropped my 8 one on the floor. Lord knows where it is.
You dropped your what?
That number 8.
Oh, okay. I'll come and find it. Yeah, that's okay. I'll get it. I'll come back. Did you guys get yours? Oh, looky. Nice. You did it. Aren't you proud of yourself?
Oh, yes, I am.
Are you ladies having a good time?
Mm-hmm.
Janet did a good job, didn't she?
She does. She always does.
Let me see yours too. Nice.
That's the way I wanted my beads, but in order to get them like that, I have to take them all off.
Oh yeah, you're like not doing all that. Looks good. Both of them look good though. Very
Because
good.
the message is there.
Yeah, there you go. That's the most important thing.
I'm sorry, you need it. What you need?
How'd you guys do?
Okay.
You got them? Very good. Y'all are successful. Oh, you like? I know I'm the worst bead maker in the room. Very good.